Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the language on WhatsApp for Android devices. Whether you're traveling to a foreign country or simply prefer to use the app in a different language, this tutorial will help you get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. The first step is to open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. You can do this by tapping on the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap More Options. Once you've opened WhatsApp, look for the More Options button on the upper right corner of the screen. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Tap on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Tap Settings from the drop-down menu. Select Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu of WhatsApp. Step 4. Tap Chats. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Chats. This will take you to the chat settings of WhatsApp. Step 5. Tap App Language. Scroll down until you see the App Language option. Tap on it and a list of available languages will appear on the screen. Step 6. Select the language you want. Select the language you want to use on WhatsApp from the list of available languages. Once you've selected the language, it will be applied to the app immediately. Please note that if you don't see the language options, they may not be supported in your country. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on WhatsApp for Android devices. It's a straightforward process that can be done in just a few steps. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech-related content. Thanks for watching.